Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. The surface of Mars is orange-red because it is covered in iron-3 oxide dust, giving it the nickname, the Red Planet. Mars is among the brightest objects in Earth's sky, and its high-contrast albedo features have made it a common subject for telescope viewing. It is classified as a terrestrial planet and is the second smallest of the Solar System's planets with a diameter of 6,779 kilometers (4,212 miles). In terms of orbital motion, a Martian solar day (sol) is equal to 24.5 hours, and a Martian solar year is equal to 1.88 Earth years, 687 Earth days. Scientists have theorized that during the Solar System's formation, Mars was created as the result of a random process of runaway accretion of material from the protoplanetary disk that orbited the Sun. Mars has many distinctive chemical features caused by its position in the Solar System. Elements with comparatively low boiling points, such as chlorine, phosphorus, and sulfur, are much more common on Mars than on Earth. These elements were probably pushed outward by the young Sun's energetic solar wind. Mars is approximately half the diameter of Earth, with a surface area only slightly less than the total area of Earth's dry land. Mars is less dense than Earth, having about 15% of Earth's volume and 11% of Earth's mass, resulting in about 38% of Earth's surface gravity. Mars is the only presently known example of a desert planet, a rocky planet with a surface akin to that of Earth's hot deserts. The red-orange appearance of the Martian surface is caused by ferric oxide, or rust. It can look like butterscotch. Other common surface colors include golden, brown, tan, and greenish, depending on the minerals present. The atmosphere of Mars consists of about 96% carbon dioxide, 1.93% argon and 1.89% nitrogen, along with traces of oxygen and water. The atmosphere is quite dusty, containing particulates about 1.5 micrometers in diameter, which give the Martian sky a tawny color when seen from the surface. Water in its liquid form cannot exist on the surface of Mars due to low atmospheric pressure, which is less than 1% that of Earth, except at the lowest of elevations for short periods. The two polar ice caps appear to be made largely of water. The volume of water ice in the south polar ice cap, if melted, would be enough to cover the entire surface of the planet with a depth of 11 meters (36 feet). Large quantities of ice are thought to be trapped within the thick cryosphere of Mars. Radar data from Mars Express and the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter (MRO) show large quantities of ice at both poles, and at middle latitudes. The Phoenix lander directly sampled water ice in shallow Martian soil on the 31st of July 2008. Mars' average distance from the Sun is roughly 230 million kilometers (143 million miles), and its orbital period is 687 Earth days. The solar day, or sol, on Mars is only slightly longer than an Earth day, 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 35.244 seconds. A Martian year is equal to 1.8809 Earth years, or 1 year, 320 days, and 18.2 hours. Mars has two relatively small compared to Earth's natural moons, Phobos, about 22 kilometers (14 miles) in diameter, and Deimos, about 12 kilometers (7.5 miles) in diameter, which orbit close to the planet. The origin of both moons is unclear, although a popular theory states that they were asteroids captured into Martian orbit. Both satellites were discovered in 1877. The history of observations of Mars is marked by oppositions of Mars when the planet is closest to Earth and hence is most easily visible, which occur every couple of years. Even more notable are the perihelic oppositions of Mars, which are distinguished because Mars is close to perihelion, making it even closer to Earth.